Box model in CSS. CSS uses box model to apply styles to elements on a web page. We'll try to understand now what is box model. Have a look at this slide. So see this box model. The middle is the content. Padding is a space between this content and the border. Margin is the space outside the border. I'm again repeating. Padding is a space between the content and the border. Margin is the space around the border, outside the border. We'll try to understand this box model, how CSS uses this box model to apply styles with a small example. I want to create two divisions. This is division 1. The division 1 has the text. It is division 1. It is division 1. Similarly, I want to create another division. So this is division 2. It is having the text. It is division 2. It is division 2. Have a look at the box model. So this is the content, right? The division related content. I want to apply now the CSS styles for division 1 alone. Division 1 alone using this box model. Have a look at here. I would like to define the padding for division 1. So I would like to define the padding. For applying styles, I would like to use rather than inline style, I will go for internal style. So we will make use of style tag is defined in the header section. To apply some set of styles to division 1, I want to create a class selector division 1. This is the class selector. Similarly, to apply some set of styles to division 2, I want to create a class selector division 2. Division 2. Yeah, I want to apply the background color red for division 1. So background color red for division 1. Similarly, I want to apply the background color green for division 2. So I have created now two class selectors, division 1 and division 2. Yeah, now I want to make use of I want to apply these set of styles to division 1. So the class equal to division 1. Yeah, have a look at now. So whatever we define now, the background color red is applied for division 1 alone. Similarly, class equal to division 2. Yeah, have a look at now, the background color green has been applied to division 2. Again, go back and check the box model, the content area. I want to now define the padding for division 1 alone and observe how the division 1 looks like after applying padding. Go back to the code. I want to define the padding. Padding is a space between the content and the border. Have a look at padding is the space. I want to define this padding for division 1 alone. Go back to the code, padding. I want to define padding 20 pixels. Have a look at now. You can see how the division one looks like after applying padding. Similarly, I want to now define, this is the padding, define the border for division 1 alone. So the division 1 alone border, the border size may be 10 pixels. Border size may be 10 pixels. A border style may be dotted. You can see the dotted border here. I want to change the color of this border. Color may be yellow. Color may be yellow. Yeah, you can see now the content by padding, content surrounded by the padding, and next to the padding you can see the border. Yeah, have again look, go back and see the box model, padding, border. Now we will try to define the margin. Margin, I want to define the margin 10 pixels. 10 pixels. You can see now 10 pixels, the top, left, right, and the bottom 10 pixels. Earlier it is default is 0, earlier 0 pixel. You can see there is no space between this division 1 and division 2. So now I change this 0 pixels to 10 pixels. So you can see a space 10 pixels. You can see now the space between this division 1 and division 2. So this is the box model. You have to understand the box model so that you can use box model properly to apply styles to elements on a web page.